Hello, my YouTube family. Welcome back to Melda 242. I am Melda, and today we are having shrimp and grits. If you want to see how I achieve this, then I suggest you continue watching. Okay, let's do it. These are raw shrimps. They have already been deveined. All I have to do now is just peel them. I have already rinsed them in water, right in the bag, water and vinegar. Because of the temperature in here, they're still frozen. I don't know what's going on. So I'm just going to peel a few on camera and I'll do the rest off camera, just to save time. Stay with me now. Just showing you that they've already been deveined. Okay. Okay, that's the pot for the grits. Okay, they're ready. They are ready. Peeled and ready. Now it's time for the seasoning. Beginning with some lime juice. Now whatever I'm adding and you don't want to use in your shrimp to season your shrimp with, you don't have to use it. Okay, always feel free to add, subtract, multiply or divide whatever I'm using. This is a little bit of total seasoning. Now whatever type of seasoning you have, you can use it. It's your pot. Red pepper flakes. You can always substitute this with black pepper or any other pepper of your choice. You work it. You know what you like. Parsley flakes. Use the fresh parsley if you have it. Okay. I'm using, I can't believe it's nut butter. But if you have the regular, you work that. Along with 2 tablespoons of oil. So I'm just going to add the butter to the pot. That should be enough. 2 tablespoons of butter. Okay, now of course the temperature is on medium. You don't need too much heat on the shrimps. Shrimps cook quickly. Just have to wait until this is melted before adding anything else to this pot. And by the way, I'm still bringing the restaurant home. I'm still bringing it home. We're still enjoying goodness here. Now it's time for the onion, bell pepper, celery, and the garlic. Okay. Now I don't want these to brown, just to soften, just to get a bit soft. Time for the shrimp, seasoned shrimps. Okay, just like that. Now you can add tomato paste or fresh tomatoes if you would like to have that in yours, but we're not having any of that today. These are straight up shrimp and grits. And I'm not adding any cheese in my grits today. No cheese for us today. Regular grits with some nice, I can't believe it's not butter in it. Oh my word, a little bit more parsley. I love parsley. So this is going to take the place of the thyme. Okay. Just love the way it makes my food look. Okay. So now I'm just combining everything up. Coating everything together. All right. Little taste. It need a little bit more seasoning. Now, if you don't have the total seasoning, whatever type of seasoning you have, work it. Whatever type, it's your pot. Whatever I'm using in my recipes and you don't use it, just leave it out. Use whatever you use. Whatever your stomach can take, you add it in. It's your pot. I'm working my pot. I know that. Oh yes. Adding a little bit more lime juice. That's the same half that I used earlier. Getting the rest of the liquid out of it. All right. No, I'm not adding any water to this. I'm not making sauce. So whatever water is created, that's what I'm going to use. That's what we'll have. Just reducing the temperature to its lowest and allowing this to come home. While that is coming home, I'll work on the grits. That's a half pot of water. Now this grits has a little bit of yellow grits in it, so that's why it look so beautiful. It wasn't enough yellow grits, so I just added the white grits to it. Still gonna have the same taste. Oh my word. Now you don't want to go overboard with the grits in the pot because it's gonna be stiff. Breakfast grits should be soft, smooth, and creamy. So don't add too much grits. You'll know when it's too much because it's gonna be a little hard to stir. You see how that's flowing? That's enough grits in there. That's enough. Should be smooth and creamy. Yes, especially for breakfast. Now if you're doing it for dinner, you'd want to add a little bit more. To this, I'm adding some butter. I can't believe it's not butter. Still calling it butter. Whatever type you have, work it. This is what my stomach can take. See, it's still giving a little yellow color appearance, but there's more white in it than the yellow. I don't know. Now you're going to season this to taste. You don't want to go overboard with the salts now. Remember the shrimp? The shrimps are already seasoned, so don't, for God's sake, go overboard with the salt. Less is always best. Now you're going to mix well and then cover and allow it to come home on medium heat. Grits is only going to take about 8 to 10 minutes max. Okay. Now watch that work its magic. This is the shrimp. Oh yes, that's it. See, there's only a little bit of liquid in there. That's what I am talking about. That's shrimps. Now I'm gonna stir this grits. You have to be careful now. This is hot and it's plopping, so I'm just using this cover as a shield. I can't take it. I have enough burns on my hand. So, oh my word. It's getting all the lumps and bumps out. Should be smooth and creamy. Just like that. So keep stirring it, but you have to be careful. This is breakfast grits. Now you don't want it so creamy until it looks like cream of wheat. No. Should be a little stiffer than cream of wheat. Oh my word. No. Look at that. Oh yes. This is it. Combination of yellow and white grits. Same flavor. Just a different look. One is yellow and one is white. The yellow corn and the white corn. Mix today. I just add them together in the container. So I'm going to shut the temperature off because it's ready and the breakfast is served. I'm still bringing the restaurant home. We're having shrimp and grits this morning. Now here's where you can add your cheese if you want to add cheese to the grits. No cheese for us today. So this is my hubby's portion and I'm just working the grits on his plate. He's like, hold that, no more. All right, now the shrimps. He loves the meat. He's not gonna say hold it for the meat, so I have to work the shrimps. I have my 2 granddaughters here and my daughter. So everyone needs breakfast this morning, so I'm gonna work this. Oh my word, look at that. That's it. There you have it. Shrimp and grits. I'm just gonna garnish it with a little bit of this parsley flakes all over it. Check it out. Thank you very much for watching this video all the way to the end. If you have enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. Share it out. Please leave a comment. God bless you. And I will see you in the next one. Please watch the ads now.